Hey y'all, it's your girl and welcome back to my channel. If you're a part of the new crew, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. On my channel, I show you everything you need to be motivated, to get motivated, to tackle all the chores that you got to get done. And I'm telling you, turn me on all your devices and just let me run and we can get this done together. For all my returning subscribers, you know I love y'all to the moon and back. I appreciate y'all so much. I appreciate the encouragement, the likes, and everything that comes with that. In today's video, we got a whole lot going on because we getting ready to tackle the kids' rooms. And of course, I have to have my coffee. So, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Now you're gonna see me. I'm not doing a whole lot in this cleaning the boys' room because I'm like, you all need to learn how to clean your rooms and clean them properly. I used to clean it myself all the time. The only thing I would have them do was go through their toys. But this go around, I was like, no, y'all gonna do most of the work. I helped with some of it because I needed to organize it, but for the most part, they did everything that was done in this room. We pretty much went through and decluttered every single toy they owned. They want to be quote unquote collectors, so most of their stuff they don't play with. And we went through the Nerf guns. Everything that we went through is being donated. I'm not throwing it away unless it was busted, broken, and non-useless. But you're gonna see a whole lot of that declutter. And I haven't been in the boys' room in quite some time. I think I have maybe one video where I did rearrange their room one time before. I think it was about Christmas. So this is long overdue, and you're gonna see there's a whole lot going on in this video. So I'm telling you, you need some motivation to tackle something, you need to get something done. I'm telling you, just keep watching. You're gonna get plenty of motivation. Now right here, I'm yelling at my son because he handed me a cord for his phone, but the cord just doesn't work. So why would you hand me a plug that doesn't work? And I'm like, you know how expensive iPhone chargers are? It's crazy. These kids get stuff and they tear them up. I'm like, I don't know what else to do with these kids. I'm about sick of it. They all driving me crazy with it. I'm saying, if you got a problem like this and your kids don't know how to take care of and handle their cords, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your kids do. If you have older kids that just don't know how to take care of things, especially when they ain't paying for it. can I tell you how frustrating it is to not be able to get work done as quickly as you want to because you're trying to teach somebody how to do something? I'm trying to teach my son how to vacuum the floor. He acts as if he's never vacuumed the floor before, and I tell you, I was like beyond frustrated at this point. And then I had to go through all these clothes because, of course, during quarantine, my kids all had a growth spurt, so everything doesn't fit, stuff they never wear, so on and so forth. Drop me a clothes emoji down in the comments if you understand what I'm going through. Hey y'all, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for sticking and staying and watching all the way through to the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment, share. I upload all types of videos. I do everything associated with mom life, homemaking, organization, DIYs, driving, pretty much anything that has to do with being a mom and a wife. And if that's the kind of content you're into, please consider subscribing. And again, for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Love you to the moon and back. And I can't wait to have a conversation with my new subbies. Now, the girls' room and my room, I did not film cleaning. I made them clean their room, and then I went to show you the after. And they actually cleaned their room the way that I wanted it clean.
With your mood swings, what is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me, yeah.
Yes, those are my stuffed animals. If anybody else likes stuffed animals the way I like stuffed animals, drop your favorite stuffed animal in the comments.
Get through to you, yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I Can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love.
So if you put a few marshmallows in your brown sugar and then put it into a container airtight, it'll keep your brown sugar from getting hard.
You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let it go.
Right here, these little bags came from the Dollar Tree. If you buy the little disposable diaper bags at the Dollar Tree, they fit perfectly into this little can, which I use to throw away my K-cups from my coffee maker.
Down, baby, this is what I'll do.
Alright, now don't come for me because I didn't sing for you, but yes, I am putting out some fall decorations, but not a lot. I am not overwhelming because I do enjoy the summer. I do enjoy the heat. I'm not ready for fall just yet, but I'm trying to get into the mood to get ready for fall because it is coming. My kids have already gone back to school. They've been in school for about almost 2 weeks now, so it's time to get over summer.
I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Thank y'all for staying and watching all the way to the end. It really helps out my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed so you can get more entertainment, more content, more motivation. Smash that like button. Make sure you comment down below if you're new, or comment if you're not new and you just want to talk. Don't forget, your girl needs you all's support and help as much as possible, and I really do appreciate it. And for all my day ones, little ones, love y'all to the moon and back. Thank you for clicking on my videos. Thank you for watching my videos, and stay tuned for more.